Welcome back everyone. So this part of the course we will be looking at joins. We will look at how to join two or more tables together using a common identifying key, and we will cover these three types of joins: inner join, left join, and right join. Looking back at the ER diagram from the start of the course, we can use this to find which key in each table is common to one another. For the customer and orders table, for example, we have the customer number field in both tables, so we can use this to join these two tables together. So looking at inner join first, as you can see in the syntax, inner join comes after the first table name, followed by the name of the table you want to join to. After the second table, we specify which column we want to join on by entering table 1's name, a full stop or period character, and the name of the column, an equal symbol, and the same key in table 2. Inner join returns only matching rows and will exclude any row which does not satisfy the joining condition. So let's look at an example here. This query joins the customers table to the orders table. You'll also notice I have named each table T1 and T2. This makes it easier to write and saves us putting the full table name in the on condition, since we can just use this alias. This star will also return all columns from both tables. So let's look at this in MySQL Workbench. Okay, I'll open up a new SQL query here. And we'll just select all columns from the orders table. And you can see here, the last column is the customer number. So let's just name our orders table T1. And we'll do an inner join of our customers table. And we'll name it T2. And we just want to join that on T1 dot customer number equals T2 dot customer number. I just need to put a full stop. And now we can see we have all columns from both tables, and all columns from the second table will display on the right hand side. So these are all the columns in the customers table. And because we're doing an inner join, not all customers may show up here. So there may be some customers in the customers table who aren't being displayed here because they didn't have an order, as inner join will only return matching rows. So what I can quickly do is I'll just look at this order number 10100, and then let's open up a new SQL query, and we'll do a select star from from orders, where the order number equals 10100. Okay, so we have this one order, but we only have the customer number of 363. So in a separate query, if we do a select star from the customers table, where the customer number equals 363, just need to add number, then we can see this is the name of the customer, Dorothy Young Online Diecast Creations. But because we've joined these two together, it's all being displayed in one row. So you can see Dorothy Young Diecast Online Diecast Creations is all in the first row here. Something I would like to add actually is, so we have customer number here twice. It's in both tables. So if we only wanted to see customer number 363, we can't just add where customer number equals 363, because this has an ambiguous column name. It doesn't know which table we are querying customer number from, and you can see the error here. Column customer number in where clause is ambiguous. So we just need to specify which table we want to show that from. So I normally just go with the first table, T1, and then it will run OK. So I'll just remove that. One note I would like to add actually is if you remove inner here, and if we just did a select all from orders join customers, MySQL Workbench will automatically do an inner join. It will treat this as an inner join. So in actual fact, the word inner doesn't have to be used, but it is good practice to use it. So that is it for inner join for now, but we will use it much more later in the course and during our analysis. So in the next video, we will look at left and right join.